Welcome back to Detail Garage. Today we're going to show you how to detail your car, your truck, or any type of vehicle in a drought condition. Now here in California, we're in the biggest drought that we've ever seen in the last 100 years. Now that means that the water usage in the state has been restricted or reduced to help save water for the people living in California. Now what does this mean for all the people out there? That means that your shower times have been reduced, your gardening or your cleaning times using water has been restricted, and also there's been a restriction placed on washing your car. Now in the area that we live in, you're actually not allowed to wash your cars on certain days, and today is one of those days when you can't wash a vehicle. So there's only a few options out there if you can't use water, and one of the best options is going to be a waterless wash. A waterless wash is going to wash the vehicle just as good as water. It's actually going to produce more shine and get better results, but it's actually not going to use a drop of water, and we can do it indoors. Outside right now, it's actually like 85, 90 degrees. It's really hot, and it's more comfortable for us to be inside detailing the car without using any water and without making any mess. Now, waterless detailer is really easy to use, and we're going to go over all the steps that you need to do to wash your car without using any water. So if you're living in California and you're experiencing a drought, or if you live in another area of the state where water is limited or you're not able to get proper water usage, or you live in an apartment or a condo where you don't have access to a hose, this setup is going to be the perfect option to wash your car anywhere, anytime. Now, waterless washing is going to work on heavy dirt. It's also going to work on dirty grime, and it's going to work on all areas of the vehicle, like painted surfaces, glass, wheels, tires, and even extremely dirty parts like these dirty running boards. Now, there's a lot of different waterless washes out there on the market, and there's different techniques. But today, we're going to be working with Guys EcoSmart. This is my favorite way to waterless wash a vehicle because it's fast and easy and produces fantastic results. Now here at Chemical Guys, we also get a lot of comments from customers saying that when they use EcoSmart on a regular basis, their car actually looks better and stays cleaner for longer because of the synthetic polymers built into the actual product itself. So let's break down all the steps we need to wash this big dirty truck without using any water. All you need to do is you need your favorite waterless wash, so we're going to be working with EcoSmart. We're going to be using a few premium green microfiber towels to clean the paint. We're going to be using some black microfiber towels for the dirtier areas like wheels and tires and running boards. And then I also have a soft bristle brush to scrub this textured metal running board to get all the dirt out. Now this vehicle hasn't been washed in approximately 2 weeks and is daily driven, so it's got a lot of water contamination on it, a few dirt road grime, and a lot of dirt on the lower portions of the vehicle. So let's get started and show you how to use waterless wash. Now first thing you want to do is shake up your waterless wash. We're going to shake up the EcoSmart and get all activated. Now when you waterless wash your vehicle, you want to work panel by panel. So you don't want to wash the whole vehicle at once. You actually want to work in smaller sections and then move your way around the vehicle. We're going to be working on this door to show you how well EcoSmart can work and how you can replicate this right on your vehicle. So let's take our EcoSmart and we'll spray it on the surface. Now I'm going to saturate the whole door with EcoSmart, and then I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom, starting at the cleaner areas on the top and then working down to the dirtier areas at the bottom. Now you want to spray enough EcoSmart just on the surface right before it starts to drip. Now I just started to get a few drips, so that means my whole entire surface is covered. Now EcoSmart grabs onto the surface and it's actually starting to remove all the dirt by pulling it off and releasing it from the surface itself. Now this is going to reduce any scratches or any swirls, and it's going to give you a perfect streak-free and spot-free shine. Now to use waterless wash with a proper technique, first take your microfiber towel and then fold it in fours. Now, this is going to give you more surface area, and you'll see how well this technique works when we move down the door. Now take your microfiber towel, start at the top, and then wipe in one direction. Now we're starting at the top and working our way down. That way we handle the dirtiest parts of the vehicle last, and we don't scratch the top part with all the dirt covered at the bottom. Now when you're using waterless wash, you don't want to wipe in circles, you actually want to wipe in lines. And just wiping in lines reduces any swirls or scratches on the paint. Now if you have any areas like bird droppings or any extra like grime on your vehicle, just go ahead and take a little extra EcoSmart, spray it on that surface, take your microfiber towel, and then just gently work that area and it'll pull it right off. And you'll see I'm getting a nice line of dirt on my microfiber towel. That's what you want to see. That's all the dirt and the grime being pulled up into the microfiber. Now to reduce any scratches, I'm going to flip over my microfiber towel to a clean side, just like I have right in the forefold. Now let's keep working the lower area of the vehicle. There we go. And now we're on to the dirtiest parts. Now you see I'm not rushing, I'm just taking my time, and even while taking my time, I'm able to wash the vehicle perfectly and still get fantastic results. Now look at all the dirt we got on our microfiber towel. Now the dirtiest area of this vehicle is the bottom of the door. It has a lot of road grime. So I just want to give it another just quick wipe down to saturate all the dirt and make sure I don't have any bad residue. There we go. So now I got all the dirt right into my microfiber towel. You see we have 2 spots of our dirt right in our 4-fold. Now that dirt's off the paint and trapped in the microfiber towel. Now the cool thing about waterless wash is it doesn't just wash the car, it actually places carnauba wax on the paintwork. Now the carnauba wax needs to be buffed off, so I took a secondary microfiber towel and I'm going to buff off the carnauba wax. Now a lot of customers actually tell us that if they use EcoSmart every week on their car or they regularly use EcoSmart, their car actually looks better and stays cleaner. That's because EcoSmart is formulated with special cleaning polymers and natural carnauba wax. So the cleaning polymers actually clean the surface better than traditional wash shampoo, and then the natural carnauba wax protects the surface. So this is going to stay cleaner for longer and it's going to resist any dirt and dust. There we go. Now we got a beautiful white finish that is completely smooth and free of any dirt. Now I'm going to move on to the lower parts of the vehicle where there's a lot of dirt and dust on this running board. Now let's take some EcoSmart and spray the surface. Now EcoSmart's going to work on plastic, metal, vinyl, and any type of surface on the vehicle. It's designed to work on all exterior areas. Now to scrub the running board, I'm just going to use a nice soft bristle brush. Now using EcoSmart or a waterless wash is just like using traditional water. You use the same techniques and you almost use the same tools. You're just not using a hose. Now this is probably the dirtiest area of the vehicle is this running board because passengers, drivers, anybody getting in and out of the truck usually have big dirty boots on and all that dirt gets on the running board itself. So now that I've scrubbed the running board down, I'm going to grab a microfiber towel, fold it in 4s, and then I'm just going to take my microfiber towel and I'm going to wipe off any last residue from the running board itself. Now this is a real textured running board. It's like powder coated crinkle. So I want to make sure that I wipe any dirt off because it might be embedded in the small little areas. There we go. Now our running board is clean and our whole door and the lower portions of the vehicle looks great and we're ready to move on to the rest of the vehicle. Now this is a perfect way to detail your car in a drought because if you're in a drought condition and your state has extreme water restrictions or water reduction policies, you actually need to use no water to wash your vehicle. And you can get fantastic results using a waterless wash like EcoSmart. Now remember, waterless wash is going to save you time, it's going to save you energy, it's going to save the planet by reducing water, and your car is going to look better and stay cleaner for longer. So switching to waterless wash is a great method to wash your car and do it anywhere, anytime. And we hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out the other 700 videos that we have right here on our YouTube channel. Now we have videos from everything to restoring headlights, cleaning windows, interior detailing, or even how to detail your car using zero water. Now hopefully we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage. Always remember to have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.